It just has a real to the eye look to it. I don't think you're going to tell the difference between this and the most natural looking human hair. Henry Margu always stands for premium and luxury, but it's all in the craftsmanship, from the cap right down to the fiber. We're going to discuss that today while we examine the brand new Henry Margu's Milan 26GR. This wig was sent to me direct from Henry Margu. You can find it at WIGSTUDIO1. If you go below the video, expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you right out to the site. You can see all of the colors, features, and pricing of this style. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@WIGSTUDIO1.com. Milan is a long, straight, pristine, polished, layered look. And I'm going to stand a little bit back from the camera so that you can take it all in. This is a 22-inch style. So that first layer is about 13 inches, and you can just see how it wraps back into the style with precision. I love how they do their layering on this. It makes it so wearable and so flattering. Milan features an extended lace front, full monofilament top that weighs just over 5 ounces. Let's talk about this fiber because I have a lot to say. Henry Margu has really leveled up their game in a big way with their new heat mode fiber. I really think this heat mode fiber is going to give other heat-friendly fiber a run for its money. Let's talk about it. So it's not shiny. You can see that it's just very muted. It reflects light like natural human hair. And when I first put this on and started working with it, I thought, oh, this is indistinguishable from the best, most coveted human hair wigs out there on the market. And I love the fact that it has some body. So let's talk about the density of Milan. It's just a nice average density. It's not overdone. It's not too thick and unwieldy. It feels beautiful on. It really does. Probably because of all this layering, making it wearable. And then when I toss it, just the layers come out. Just can't get over the luxury and the decadence of this one. This wig style combined with this cap and this fiber is it just has a real to the eye look to it. I don't think you're going to tell the difference between this, like I say, and the most natural looking human hair. So let's take a look at the inside of the cap because the quality lies in the cap a lot of the time. And with Henry Margu, that is certainly the case. So we've got this extended lace front. So you're going to find that a lace front does extend back into the ear tab seamlessly. And then you have a full monofilament top. And then you have open wefts on the sides and in the back. There is some permatease on this style, just enough to give it a little bit of lift and natural look, but not enough to give it a lot of oomph. Extended nape with Velcro style adjusters. With Henry Margu, they do fit a little bit large. So this is their average size. However, their average size is more suitable for large and average large than it would be for petite. So I struggle a lot to get a good adjustment on a Henry Margu style simply because I have that petite average circumference. But it's still very, very comfortable, and you can see what an exaggerated adjustment I had to make. So I'm definitely not afraid of it. So let's chat about this color, 26GR. This is one of my favorites. You're going to see a very soft, muted kind of medium gold blonde, and then it has a pale and light gold blonde highlighting, and then on a darker rouge. So you can definitely see the dimension, and a lot of times this comes in both 26GR and 26H, which indicates a highlighted unrooted color. So be sure to check those out in the links because there's a lot of color options on this one. So I'm going to take you outside for a look at this color and style, and then we'll be back with some styling. Glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab on this long style. That's probably because there's not a ton of permatease in the area above the ear tab. So I definitely wouldn't be afraid to purchase this if you are a full-time glasses wearer. And so now I'm just going to move this around to give you an idea of the movement. I'll give you an idea of the density and inspire you to style it. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here real soon on TAZSWICCLOSET.